Hey, this is Jordan. I've been away for a while, but I thought I would come back and do a quick video on creating Excel spreadsheets from Microsoft Access. This is a process called Excel automation, and automation, when used in a Microsoft Office context, means a Microsoft Office product can manipulate another Microsoft Office product programmatically. So, for instance, you could have a Microsoft Access database create an Excel worksheet, or it can create like a Word document or something like that. So this video will be a very simple example where I just create a single spreadsheet and just put a single value into it. But I would like to create future videos that go into more detail about creating more sophisticated spreadsheets, creating spreadsheets populated from access tables, and getting more detailed so you can create really interesting spreadsheets entirely within a Microsoft Access database. So to get started, we'll go to our Visual Basic editor, and then I will insert a module, and I'll just call it Mod Excel Automation. And then I will create a procedure to create the spreadsheet. And before we get started, we need to stub out some error handling code because we're going to be creating some objects in memory, and we don't want those objects to hang around in memory because we will have memory links and we'll have spreadsheets open in memory, and that would be a problem. So let's go ahead and stub out the error handling code. So I went ahead and created the error handler, which just exits the procedure, and this is where you can actually destroy your objects. And then right here is the part that actually catches the error. So here I'm just going to display a message box if we do have any errors. And then it will continue on to this bookmark, and that's at this resume, and this resume is just for debugging purposes. So now that we have that in place, next thing we need to do is go to Tools and References. We need to add a reference to the Excel library. So we will scroll down to where it says Microsoft Excel 14.0 Object Library. So once we have that reference in place, we can get started. So I will create a variable for the Excel application itself. So I'll say dim Excel app as excel.application. Then we need a variable for the workbook. So I'll just say dim Excel WB as excel.workbook. And then we need a variable for the worksheet itself. So I'll say dim Excel WS as excel.worksheet. And before I go on, I will go ahead and destroy these objects in memory to prevent memory leaks. So I'll say if not Excel worksheet is nothing, then set the worksheet to nothing. If not Excel workbook is nothing, then set Excel workbook to nothing. And then if not Excel app is nothing, then set the Excel app to nothing. All right, so now we instantiate the variables. So I will say set Excel app equal to excel.application, and we'll say a new one. And then we need to instantiate the workbook. So I'll say set Excel workbook equal to Excel app dot create. Actually, it's dot workbooks dot add. Then we say set Excel worksheet equal to Excel workbook dot worksheets 1. So we create an Excel application object, then we create the workbook, then we create a reference to the workbook's first spreadsheet, or the worksheet rather. So now that we've done that, we just say Excel app.visible is true. So we make it to where we can see the spreadsheet. So now we compile, and then we can run. And you can see that we have a spreadsheet popping up here. And that's pretty much all there is to creating a single spreadsheet that's blank, but we can go just a little bit further, and I will say Excel worksheet dot cells is equal to test. So the top left cell of the spreadsheet, I'll just set the value of that to the word test, just so that we can demonstrate that you can manipulate the spreadsheet and put data into it. So we can compile that and we can run. And as you can see, it has the word test here. So that pretty much concludes this video. In future videos, I would like to demonstrate how you can create more sophisticated spreadsheets that have lots of intricate formatting, borders, colors, and also ways that you can put lots more data into the spreadsheet that come directly from tables in the Access database. So this is just the first video, and it was very basic. But stay tuned for more videos where we'll explore this in more depth. Thank you for your time.